where nature reigns supreme. Snow-capped mountains rise from a tundra that extends as far as the eye can see, while vast glaciers continually shape the landscape in a millennial geological process. Polar bears roam these remote territories in search of prey, sharing the habitat with Arctic foxes with pure white coats. The sky is periodically filled with flocks of migratory birds, which find in Svalbard a temporary refuge during their long journeys. Explorations in this corner of the world take different forms.